Right, I am coming to America. Next week we're going to the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show, which starts on Wednesday the 30th of October and it runs to Sunday the 3rd of November. And I am going to be on the Fairline stand in Fort Lauderdale selling Fairlines. I've never sold boats in America, but the Fairline factory and Nautical Ventures, the local dealer, asked us to come over and help. I don't know what help I can be because I don't have a clue what I'm doing, but I'll read about the boats and make sure I do understand. Now, we have the following boats on display at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. The brand new Fairline Squadron 68, the brand new Phantom 65, the brand new Squadron 50 and the Targa 45 Open and the latest F-Line 33, which is not like that one. That's the previous one, Dan. Do you know that?
Yep.
And the new one's got like a hard top and stuff. So I'll be showing you the new one of those. Now, I've got the map here and it says we are in the red zone, whatever that means. And we're in F and G dock. But just follow the Fairline flags. And we'll do some videos from the show as well. And we have a VIP cocktail party on Friday the 1st, which starts at 6:30 p.m. and goes through till 9 p.m. So if you want to see me pissed, then that's when I'll be drinking at the VIP cocktail evening, which is sponsored by Fairline Yachts America and NVG. So I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hoping the weather's good. I'm hoping there's no storms. And all you lovely people of America, if you want a boat, come and see me and I will sell you one.